Good evening, Micromap here. Let's take a look at the futures here in the after hours. They open up at 6 p.m. The 10-year is at 424. I want to say that on the daily chart, I kind of saw it over, I want to say 430. It hit a high of 433 this morning and retraced to under 4.25 on the 10-year. The dollar is at opened at, well, it closed at 104.76. I don't know why he doesn't give me a reading here, but that's what it closed at. Foreign currencies, we have the pound at 125 almost, the euro at 107, and those have sold off with the dollar being stronger. Bitcoin is over 26K again. Oil way over 88 bucks. I want to say it was up to it was over 89 at one point, I want to say today. The high was 89.64 in the last 2 days on the minute candle chart. So yeah, that's inflationary. Inflation came out today hotter. Markets didn't move as much as I thought they would. The S&P's up right now 450 to 445.22. Gold is at 1930. Ether at 1600, over 1600. Hogs at 84 cents. Live cattle is at 183 and feeders at 253. Meat prices are very expensive, folks. When you go to the store, it's just really, really expensive. I guess it's soon for the, well, not soon, pretty much for the rich man, because these steaks are out of control. Maybe you could do some hamburgers. Small caps, 1861. What else do we got here? Copper, 378, well under the 4 handle, which it was trading for a long time. NASDAQ up 25, as everybody always stays with the magnificent 7 at 15,577. Nat gas 270, and pretty much just range bound between 225 and 275. I want to say it's on the upper end of the channel. Looking at the month, let's take a look at a month at a day. So 286 is the high, and the low is 242. Palladium and platinum, they just seem to be same level. Silver over 23 bucks. VIX under 14. Now, I took off some positions today. Not really active. I don't like getting into anything with VIX at these levels, and it may be heading lower, folks. But I think more opportunities will come by. Corn under 482. Soybeans 1351. Wheat 595. Dow Jones up 14 to 34,932. And that's pretty much it on the futures. Now, mind you, they just opened at 6 p.m., but it's been pretty flat. On the bar chart, individual stock names. Apple down 2. They came out with the new Apple iPhone. Need to do more research on that. I really don't need one, and it seems like every upgrade is just the same phone, in my opinion. Maybe with 2 cameras or 3 cameras, but not motivating enough to go change my phone. And these phones are expensive, folks. Tesla 271 up 382. Nvidia up 6 to 454. Amazon's had a little good bump up here in the last couple of days, up to 145 almost. AMD up 2 to to 107. Not a tech there. Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, AMD. Look at Mo. That's a cigarette company. Probably dividend. That's why it's probably one of the most actives today. Probably dividend. Netflix got hit pretty hard today. I think they had a profit warning, a margin warning. I'm in an area with very, very bad reception. Let me see here if we can see if there's any news here. The CFO expresses concern over Hollywood strikes and offers soft margins guidance. The CFO says we need to get back to work. That's what we are focused on. So, over the Hollywood strikes. And now we have the UAW strikes coming up here. I saw the UAW president talking today on CNBC, and he said we want 30%, over 30% increase in pay if CFOs and CEOs and all these board members are making, not board members, but upper management making big bucks. Sorry, taking a swig of water here. If they're making big bucks, why can't us, the workers, make it? And, yeah, interesting times. So let's go back to the bar chart. So Ford was up 12 to 19 cents to 12.64. Little bounce in Oracle after getting slaughtered yesterday. Alibaba 87. Meta over 300. The banks have been pretty range bound. Probably good for iron condors. Iron condors are good for range bound on the chart. If the it's basically a put credit spread and a call credit spread together. It's called an iron condor, and it's a range bound trade. It consists of 4 options. 2 to the buy side, 2 to the call side, 2 to the put side, 1 long, 1 short, 1 long, 1 short. And I've done videos on iron condors if you want to look up in the archive and the videos. Softy up 4 to 336. American Airlines. Now the airlines, I guess the airlines are coming down because of higher gas prices. Because I think I saw a lot of airlines down today. Let's see what SAVE was. I think SAVE is the ETF for airlines. Is it SAVE? I don't remember. It was SAVE. No, SAVE is Spirit. Oh no, it's Jet. Jet is the ETF. Let's see here. Yeah, it's down 50 cents, down over 2.5%. Let's take a look at the 5-day chart. 18.5, 1 month chart. Yeah, so basically from $20 in a month down to, actually down 11%, over 11% in a month to 234. This is a basket of airlines for you gamers. So yeah. So I would assume that it's the correlation with oil prices increasing. Let's see what other ones were up big on a dollar basis here. Right in my light here, kind of blind here. Roblox down 147, down 5%. Boeing down to 208. UPS, little bounce. That name has gotten pretty beat up. Moderna up to 108, up 3%. I guess as more COVID cases and more vaccinations go out, they probably do good. Look at Delta, down $1.14. Let's go to the last batch here. Unity down $2. Roku down $2. A lot of the solar names were down today. Enphase down 3%. Qualcomm up because I think they were going to do modems for Apple. So I think that's what's making them go back up, because they were pretty hit hard. I think they hit 106. Dollar General is just getting beat up. 120. Eesh. I've been buying the dips there. It seems kind of cheap here. I mean, people go to dollar stores, especially a lot of People are hurting now with the inflation. And I don't think the economy is firing on cylinders. Maybe I'm wrong, but it looks like we're really slowing down here. These longer rates for longer is really putting a big blanket over this U.S. economy. We'll see. And we got an election year next year. It'll be interesting. United Airlines is down. Pinterest down as well. There were rumors of a buyout, and that one really went up. Airbnb down $2. Merck down $1. Adobe was up 11. I wonder if they reported earnings. I know earnings was soon. 3M down 6 to top the 100 here. Options that were busy today. Let me see what news. What happened with Adobe? Oh my God, my fat fingers don't let me press the B. Let's see, we got some news on Adobe. Yeah, it must have, maybe, let's see. No, I don't know. Let me see, let me click here. Moves midday. Well, it was up before earnings. Let's see what it did after hours.